So we decided this week to just let the music largely speak for itself. Two of the songs I think will be pretty familiar to you, Abide With Me and Precious Lord. The other song, Rest My World, is one that we've done for church before. It was written by my mother, Juanita B. Fletcher, who was going through a dark time in her life. She had depression, and she wrote this song as a way to remind herself that no matter what happens, Jesus is always near.
Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I am worn. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. When my way grows drear, precious Lord, linger near. Help me see I'm not alone. Hear my cry, hear my call. Hold my hand, lest I fall. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. When I feel so alone, precious Lord, still my own, you are there wherever I roam. Hold us close by your grace till we meet face to face. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. Out of days lengthened by loneliness, into nights dark with despair, softly a small voice came, saying the Savior's name, reminding that Jesus is near. Perfect, amazing grace visited in this place, sweet peace replacing my fear. Mercies unending, divine love descending. Oh, rest my world, Jesus is near. Rest my world, Jesus is near. How can I not speak of my Savior God, the one who has made my heart sing? I dedicate myself, my talents, time and wealth, to telling the world of my King. Perfect, amazing grace visited in this place, sweet darkness deepens, Lord, with me abide. When other helpers fail and comforts flee, help of the helpless, oh, abide with me. Swift to its close ebbs out life's little day. Earth's joys grow dim, its shadows pass away. Change and decay in all around I see. O thou who changest not, abide with me. In times of isolation, grief and fear, called by our prayers, thy grace and peace draw near. Far from my friends and loved ones I may be, blessed tie that binds us all, abide with me. Hold thou my hand into the great unknown, shine through